Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter Heroine's formula exercise 12.2. Sum number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So first we will draw a rhombus shaped field. The sides of the rhombus are given as 30 meter. So 30 meter. So each side is given as 30 meter and then its longer diagonal is 48 meter. So longer diagonal is 48 meter. So we are asked to find the area of the grass field will each cow be getting. So this whole area is grazed by 18 cows. So we are asked to find the area grazed by one cow. This is the thing. So when we see this, it is a rhombus. So in this, if we find the area of one part of the triangle this part, that is, if we take this as ABCD, ABC and ADC are congruent figures. It is very clearly shown that both are congruent figures. So if we find the area of ABC, the same area will be equal to ADC also. Okay, so if we find the area and multiply it by 2, we will get the area of the rhombus, and then when it is divided by 18, we will get the area of the rhombus grazed by one cow. This is the thing we are going to do. Okay, given sides of the rhombus, is 30 meter and rhombus shaped field is 30 meter and diagonal is 48 meter So now area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. So first we will find area of triangle ABC using Heroine's formula. Area of triangle ABC using Heroine's formula. So we'll take AB as A. So AB is equal to A as 30 meter and BC is equal to B. We'll take B as 30 meter and then AC is equal to C as 48 meter. So for finding Heroine's formula, we need semi-perimeter. So for finding area using Heroine's formula, we need semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2. So this is 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 48 is 108 by 2. So that is equal to 54 meter. So this is semi-perimeter. So now you will use area of triangle ABC is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 54. So 54 into 54 minus A is 30. Then 54 minus again 30. Then 54 minus 48. So this is equal to root of 54 into 54 minus 30 is 24. Again 24. And then 54 minus 48 is 16. Okay, 6. So 54 minus 48 is 6. Okay, so now 54 we can write it as 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. 24 also we can write it as 6 into 4. Again one more 6 into 4. For this one more 24 and then 6. So for this 54, we write it as 9 into 6. 24 is 6 into 4. Again one more 24, 6 into 4. Then 6. Okay. So now root 9 value is 3 into 2 6s there. So for that we will write 1 6. Then for this root 4, 2 is the answer. Then here 2 more 6s there. For that 1 6 we will write. And then root 4 value is 2. So when we multiply all these things, we will get the area of triangle ABC. So 3 6 are 18. 18 to 18 into 3 6 are 18 into 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 into 18, 8 4s are 32, 192, 24 if we add, 9 plus 4 13, 432 meter square. So that is the area of this triangle. Okay, so that is one part of the rhombus. So area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 2 into, or we can write it as area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So already we told that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. So both the areas are equal. So we got area of triangle ABC as 432. So this area of triangle ADC is also 432. So we'll get the answer as 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, 864 meters square. So this is the area of the rhombus ABCD, that is for the rhombus shaped field the area is 864 meters square. Now we are asked to find the area of the grass field will each cow be getting for grazing for each cow. So area of grass each cow will get is equal to 864 divided by 18. 18 divided by 864. So 4 times it is 72. So the remainder is 14. We'll bring this 4 8 times. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14. So each cow is equal to 48 meters square. So area of grass each cow will get to graze is 48 meters square. So each cow will get 48 meters squared of area to graze the grass. Okay. So with this, completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.